the colour of my tummy is a problem that cannot be oh my god, wait. I have some very exciting news. Probably the most exciting news, most exciting thing that's ever happened to me. Shani Grwm, subscribe to me. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. You sound like Ariana Grande. Today I got a very exciting Nasty Gal delivery through the post. So you know, Nasty Gal, next time you want to sponsor me. Oh wait, what's that? We finally got a Nasty Gal sponsorship? No. Really? Really? No. Girl? Yes, that is right. This is negative body language, isn't it? I shouldn't do that. Yes, that is right, ladies and gentlemen. We have a Nasty Gal sponsorship. You guys know I film so many Nasty Gal hauls. All my clothes, literally my entire wardrobe is Nasty Gal. So I'm so excited to be working with them today. Thank you so much, Nasty Gal. This is honestly such a dream come true for me. Let's move you down a little bit, doll. Oh my god, wait. I shouldn't talk like that anymore because she actually might hear me.
Hi, Shani. Hi.
This is the first thing I got, this super cute cropped top. I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't expecting it to be quite as cropped as it is. I put this on underneath because if I don't, it's actual like areola to the wind. I think it looks cute with like the Calvin Klein tucking out of the bottom anyway. And oh god. I also got these cool jeans. I needed a new pair. I needed a new pair, oh my god, I did it again. I needed a new pair of black jeans, so I thought I'd get some like baggy wide leg ones, and these are so cool. They're like a super baggy wide leg fit all the way down to the bottom. I did get these in an 8 and they are slightly big, so I probably would have got a 6 next time, although to be honest, sometimes I do kind of like the look of it sitting slightly below your waist. I feel like my tummy looks really weird in this light, but we're not going to talk about it. Also, how criminal. Calvin Klein, Tommy Hilfiger. I don't give a damn. Remember that video of the little boy and he was like, Pepsi, Coca-Cola glass? Psh, I don't give a damn. Right, on to the next outfit. I learned the Renegade last night. I was at a party and some really nice girl taught me the Renegade, and then that is all I remember. I need to stop, like literally someone needs to stop me. I'm so easily distracted, it's terrible. Did somebody say lemon? Yes, I did. This next outfit is so cute. It's this little lemon dress. There's the height for reference. I could literally just move the camera down. Why am I like this? This cute little lemon dress with like a matching lemon cardigan. I believe this is from the Josephine collection. If you guys follow Josephine on Instagram, wow. She came out with a beautiful collection with Nasty Gal, you know, my two favorite things coming together, creating a beautiful child. And this is the result, a little lemon moment. And let me tell you, I am living. I don't know why, but it's kind of giving me Emma Chamberlain vibes. Like these cardis are like cardis. I sound like a mum. Who else's mum calls it a cardi? Wait, or does everyone just call it a cardi and I don't get out enough? These little cardigan things are super trendy at the moment. Obviously it's like not attached, it's like a separate dress, and the dress is really cute as well. It's got like tie sleeves, it's got a cute low back, like a spring picnic, a little date, daytime. Just cute, fun, easy. They were styled together on the model, well on Josephine on the website. So I thought I'd pick this baby up and I love her. Right, so next outfit is a little LBD. Now, I don't seem to have a lot of luck in dresses. I don't know, maybe I just have a really weird body, but I struggle to find dresses that kind of fit, and this one has a pretty good fit, but it's not bang on. I ordered it in a 4. It's quite tight on the armpits as I'd expect it to be, but I think it's because I just don't have sufficient boobage to fill it out, which is why it's kind of baggy on the boobs. It's just a little bit big, like there's a lot of excess, which is sort of making it bag in places I don't really want it to be bagging. But it's cute, and to be honest, like my plan of wearing it, oh my god, I haven't shown you the boots. Boots are the best bit. She said nude on the side, Bam. These are literally the coolest shoes I've ever put on my feet. I want to wear them every single day. These sort of boots I feel like are so in at the moment, and am I going to set myself on fire with these candles? I think everyone needs a pair, and they would go with nude outfits and they would go with black outfits. Why aren't you ordering them right now? I was planning on wearing this outfit with a big oversized trench coat because you know me, I can never turn down a good trench coat, and this one is vinyl. Ooh, I've got plastic in my hand. It's got these like really cool sort of tortoise shelly buttons on, which I'm so into at the moment. My mum is always ripping into me for having like 10 million coats, but if you have a good coat, you literally don't need to try with the rest of your outfit. I mean, tell me you don't want to be me right now, because I just won't believe you, because I want to be me too. This is probably, I'm not even just saying this, this is probably like my new favourite coat I've got. Is that not the coolest thing you've ever seen in your life? Yes, yes it is. I will answer that one for you. Let's get you a little bit of a further action shot. Point of view, you see a girl in a trench coat you really like. Welcome to my TikTok. I don't want to take this off. I feel powerful, independent, shiny. Welcome to my fashion science laboratory. And that is on vinyl trench coats. Whilst we're here, we may as well try on the other coat. Yes, that's right. Wait, did you really think there was only going to be one trench coat in this video? Never judge a book by its cover. Ooh, yeah. I feel like Georgia when she was an olive in Angus Thongs and Perfect Snogging. And I'm not complaining about it. This coat is the coat of dreams. It's a really nice length. I'm actually gonna break my ceilings one day. This one comes with a belt. I just love this color. Like, it's so different, but it's still a sort of subtle, classic, neutral color, so it's not too scary. Once again, I'm loving the whole like vinyl. It's just a way to make your outfit more interesting. Literally wear it with a really like boring, plain, like little black dress underneath, and you really don't need to think about your outfit. It just kind of makes itself. I did a mini burp and I'm kind of hungover and it kind of tastes like alcohol. I love it. Do you love it? Because I love it. This is the ultimate Alexa play Despacito moment. And this isn't see-through, by the way. That's not why I'm holding my boobs. It's just my nipples are poking through and I will get demonetized. Woo! It's just too big. It's not working because it's too... But it is so cute and in a size 6. I just thought like a Doja Cat moment. If Say So was a dress, this would be it. And I want to wear Say So in a dress. It's got really cute little diamante straps on it. Beautiful pink colour. It's like ruched here, but because it's too big, it just doesn't do anything. It has potential. Get it in your size. Send me a picture and live your best Say So moment, girl. Like, you be in the club like... Ooh. Our next Love Islander to enter the villa are these beautiful croc wide leg trousers. If there's something I've learned from this video, it's that I'm actually a little bit skinnier than I thought I was, which, you know, I'm not complaining about. Usually it's the other way around. These are a little bit baggy on the waist. I did get them in a size 8, so I think I would be a size 6. Just if you want to compare to me for sizing reference. I know some people get really triggered talking about sizes, and I totally get that. I totally understand that. Size 8 is not big. Size 8 is teeny tiny. A lot of you guys ask about sizing, so hopefully if I give you my sizing and you think you're a similar body shape type to me, it will be helpful. I love leather trousers. I just think they are so cool. They're such an easy way to dress up an outfit. I actually really want to get a nude pair. So Nasty Gal, if you want to sponsor me again, I'll maybe put a nude pair in the mix. These would look so cute with a big oversized coat. This top is actually also Nasty Gal, but it wasn't part of my order for the haul, but I'm sure you can find it on their website. They do really cute little like cardigan tees. This is making the exposure go cray. We love an all black moment, super easy, a massive pair of like white chunky trainers, black chunky trainers. You're good to go. So everyone, that is the end of my video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. You can subscribe if you would like to see more of me. If you did like any of these clothes and you would like to buy them, I have links to them in the description box down below. Thank you so much to Nasty Gal for working with me on this. This has honestly just been such a dream. Like, you guys watching just know how much I love Nasty Gal. I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. As I said before, if you did, give it a thumbs up. Leave requests and comments in the comment section down below. Subscribe if you would like to see more videos from me. Click the notification bell if you want to make sure my videos come over in your subscription boxes. I've got all my social medias listed in the description box down below. I'm most active on my Instagram, so if you'd like to have a little chat, go follow me over there. I love you all so much, and I will see you all very, very soon. Bye. Boy.